welcome to my kitchen. And so today we are going to cook this cow feet and chicken wings sauce. So please subscribe, like and share this video for me. And so I have my cow feet well washed and cleaned. And I'm going to add my chicken wings to it. The chicken wings are also hard, so I'm adding everything, and then I'll add my salt and seasoning to it. I have all purpose seasoning, dried thyme, black and white pepper, and any other seasoning that's and spices that you prefer. You can add it to it. I'm going to add enough water to cook it very well because I want it to be tender. I want the cow feet to be tender. Okay, so at this point I decided to stir it and then give it more time to cook very well. Please like this video for me, share, and then leave a comment. So I've decided to take the chicken wings out and then let the cow feet cook and more. Yes, the chicken wings, I'm okay with its tenderness, so I'm adding more water to the cow feet for it to cook more. Okay, so please like for me, share, and leave a comment as well. So at this point the cow feet is tender, so I'm going to take it off fire. So I have my saucepan on fire. I'm adding my oil to it. That is coconut oil. I've used it once and I'm going to use it to prepare the sauce. So I'm adding my chopped onions. I'm going to stir it, let it fry a bit, and then I'm going to add this is negro pepper. Yes, I was trying to remember the name. So negro pepper, let it fry a bit for a very nice flavor. And I've added my blended onion, garlic, ginger, and pepper to it. So the negro pepper gives it a very nice flavor, and so don't omit it. You'll love it. Okay, so let it cook. We are checking on it. Okay, and I'm going to add my tomatoes to it, my chopped or sliced tomatoes. I'll add tomato paste also to it, and then add a little bit of water, stir it together, and give it time for it to cook. Okay, so I have decided to add the cow feet to it, my meat, and then add the stock to it and let it cook with it. You can also decide to let the stew cook and dry the water a bit before you add your meat or your protein to it. But I decided to add it to it so that it will cook together with the tomato and everything to get the flavor, everything in the meat, for it to combine and mix very well. And so cover and give it time for it to cook. Okay. Okay, so our sauce is getting ready. I'm adding seasoning to it, and then I'll stir it together again. And at this point, if you want to add salt, you can add salt, and then just adjust the quantity to your preference. Okay. So our stew is almost ready. Yes, but I'll be adding onions also to it. Yes, so the stew is almost ready. So I'm adding fish also to it. Yes, I fried some fish and I'm adding a bit to it. Yes. Okay. And so I'll just stir it with care, and then lower the fire, reduce the fire, and then give it time for it to simmer. I'll add bell peppers and onions to it, and then give it like 2 to 3 minutes, and that'll be okay for kotodwe and chicken stew, or cow feet and how do you call it, chicken wings. So okay, so you're going to check on it, and at this point it's okay. So the stew is ready. Yes, very much ready to be enjoyed. And so this is our stew. You can enjoy it with your rice, your yam, or anything you want to enjoy with this stew. Thanks so much for watching. Like and share this video. Bye bye.